So if you're having no sounds on your YouTube TV, well, there are a few things that I could try doing here. So first is you may want to adjust the YouTube TV audio settings. So sometimes the sound issue comes from the 1.1 or your surround settings here. So you want to open up the YouTube TV app, go to your profile picture at the top right, and then head into settings. Now under audio, you want to look for 5.1 surround sound and switch it off. Now, this setting can cause compatibility problems on certain TVs and sound systems. Turning it off often brings the sound back immediately. Next thing that you want to do here is you may want to restart the YouTube TV app. After changing the audio settings, close the app immediately instead of backing out. Relaunch YouTube TV, fresh, and play something again. A simple restart clears temporary glitches and that may have muted the audio. Also, you may want to do a forced stop. Now, if the problem continues, go into your TV settings, find the apps section, select YouTube TV, then choose force stop. This is stronger than just closing the app. It completely shuts it down and resets the background process, which often clears sound issues. Next is you may want to clear the cache and data. Now, while you're inside the app settings, so also clear the cache here. This removes stored temporary files that may be causing conflict. Now, if clearing the cache doesn't help, you can go one step further and clear the app data as well, which reset the YouTube TV here to its default state. Now, note here that you may need to log in back, or you may need to log in into your account again afterwards. Next is you may want to restart your TV. Now, power cycle TV itself, turn it off, unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and power it on. This refreshes the TV system and clears any lingering glitches that could affect sound across apps. And finally, confirm your TV is sending sound to the right output here. If you're using the built-in speakers, make sure they're selected. If you're using a soundbar or external speakers, double check these connection and settings. Once that's set, open YouTube TV again and test playback. And at this point, the sound should be restored. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.